Today we're gonna play Sesame Street.
Sesame Street Alphabet Kitchen.
You said a Cookie Monster. Let's press play.
Nom 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 nom. Uh-oh. That last cookie. What we do now, Elmo?
That's okay, Cookie Monster. We can make more. Oh, hi. Elmo's so glad you're here. Elmo loves making cookies to share with friends. Oh, but we're going to need your help.
Oh, me a friend to share with. Me help too.
Oh, cool. First, choose one of us to make cookies with.
Okay. I'm gonna choose Elmo first.
Great. Let's get started.
Okay, how does it go?
Chef Elmo will spread out the dough. A. E. Like in eggplant.
Eggplant. Alright.
Go ahead. Cut out another butter cookie. A. E. A. Add decorations to impress Chef Cookie Monster.
Okay. I'm gonna do it in
Look
red.
at all the different color icings you can choose.
I'm gonna do everything on red.
That's nice.
Okay, let's choose fire green. This one on green as well. There we go. I'm gonna choose that red. There we go.
Oh, okay, Chef. Now here's the best part. Elmo can't wait to share our cookie yarn. Ta-da! Behold, our cookie creations. Tap the cookies to eat them yourself, or drag them to share with Cookie Monster.
Okay. So, I'm gonna
Hey, what we waiting for? Me remember someone saying there would be cookie sharing.
That's right. I'm gonna give you the green and I'll eat the red.
E cookie. This cookie is exceptional. Nom. Yeah, me just want to remind you that it's available for cookie sharing. Whoa, this cookie Picasso. Oh, thank you, little chef. Now we make more cookies.
Yeah! First, Chef Elmo will spread out the dough.
Well, I'm gonna do Cookie Monster next, right? Yeah.
Tap where you want to.
Hey, little chef. You help me make some more delicious word cookies? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Let's get started. What word cookie, you ask? You never guess. It cookie made out of a word. Huh? Me show you. T. Now you, to make word, drag one of your letter cookie cutters here.
Okay. Let's try O and see how it happens.
Pot.
Okay.
Now, use little chef fingers to mix cookie letters together and...
I'm gonna try red and pink.
Oh please, mix with your finger. Cowabunga! It pot.
Yay!
Oh boy, we need 4 yummy word cookies to fill the cookie shelf. Come on, little chef, let's make more. This dough, here me go. P. T. Oh boy, let's see what you got.
Alright, let's try E next.
Pet.
Let's try orange, pink, and purple.
To mix, move your finger in circles on bowl. Easy does it. It's Cookie Miracle. It's pet.
Alright.
This dough, here me go. B. G. You turn.
Okay, let's try I.
Big.
Alright, let's mix red, pink. Let's try blue.
To mix, move your finger in circles. Yeah, that's it.
Ta-da!
It's beautiful. It's big.
Yeah. Okay.
Hey,
let's try O.
Bog. Bog.
Let's try both of these.
To mix, move your finger in circles on bowl. Easy does it. Oh, that's cookie miracle. It's cookie in shape of bog.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Cookies look so yummy. Me no can wait to taste. We work hard and now reward. We have cookies for every word. You can eat cookies yourself by tapping on it. But why you want to do that? Oh, yeah. So drag cookies over to me.
Okay, I'll eat the pinks. You eat the greens.
Go ahead. Big. Nom 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 nom. Bog. Oh, for me? Oh boy. Okay. Nom. Okay, me no can watch. Wait, cookies already gone? That okay. Me see what you did there. Yeah, you share cookies. That terrific. Me cool with that. There's no problem. Some cookies for you, some cookies for me, some more cookies for me. Me got more cookies, some cookies for me. Okay, let's just make more cookies. This dough, here me go. H, M, your turn.
Okay, thanks for watching.